everybody. For your Friday activity, I wanted to try to make something fun, so I made up an activity to do with these old school fortune tellers. I don't know if y'all ever made these whenever you were in elementary school, but I know whenever I was in elementary school a long time ago, we made these all the time. So hopefully you will find it to be fun. So once I made my fortune teller, on the outside I wrote different colors. On the next part I wrote different numbers, and then on the very inside flaps I wrote different numbers and terms that you can use in order to make your equations with variables on both sides. Okay, so if you don't know how these work, I'm going to include a link on how to actually make one, but on the very outside I have different colors. So what you do basically is you pick a color. Let's say I pick the color blue, then I'm going to spell out blue with the fortune teller, B-L-U-E. And on the inside, it reveals a couple of numbers. I'm going to pick one of those numbers. Let's pick 8. So now I'm going to count out to the number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then your last step is to pick one more number. This time, let's pick the number 3. All right, so under the number 3, I'm going to open up the flap, and it's going to reveal something to me. This one says plus 2.5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down plus 2.5 on my paper. And I'm just going to do it again. So I continued doing my fortune teller until I had an equation that I wanted to solve. So there we go. I solved my equation. I got my variables on the same side and my numbers on the other side. And eventually I got x is equal to 8.9. And then lastly, remember whenever we have equations with variables on both sides, we always want to plug in our final answer in for x and see if we end up with the same numbers on both sides, which I did. Yeah, so you go ahead and make this fortune teller at home. The possibilities are endless with the numbers that you can put on the inside of it and the equations that you can solve on your own. I also wanted to give a big shout out to Lauren for answering my question over scientific notation. Thank you so much, Lauren, for answering that. That made me so happy. And I want the rest of you guys to do it too. Okay, so starting next week, College Station ISD is going to be sending y'all out 2 30-minute lessons per week for every subject that you're in. So you're going to get 2 30-minute math sessions per week. So I'm no longer going to send out videos, but I want you to take those lessons seriously. If you have any questions on them at all, please message me and I would love to help you. But I'll see you guys next week. Bye.